Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm your host, FD for Sage5.tv. Now, we're going to start something else this week. We're going to start looking at projects and trying to put them into focus. And these are projects we may have already reviewed. So review is one part, but looking at projects and focusing on them on a weekly basis, it may not be the same project every week. It may be the same. It doesn't matter. And it depends on what's going on. But there will be certain projects we have not reviewed because there is nothing special that has come up. So we just want to bring them to your attention to see if you are not already invested in those projects, whether there is something new or whether this puts it onto your wish list. Again, guys, with all these things, don't take this for what it is. You got to do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. If you do require financial advice, you know what to do. And if you are from the UK, please do not watch this video. This video is not intended for UK audiences at all. Why? Because the UK authorities are trying to protect you in case you lose all your funds, as they do deem the crypto industry as an extremely risky asset class. So they don't want you to partake on it. They're trying to protect you. So that said, the new segment, we're going to call it the week in focus or this week in focus. But this week in focus or the week in focus, then we put the project name, and the project we're going to start with for this new segment is Benqi, ticker symbol QI. Benqi, a suite of decentralized finance protocols built on Avalanche, and it consists of Benqi markets, Benqi liquid staking, and Ignite. So for those who don't know, Benqi markets enables users to effortlessly lend, borrow, and earn interest with their digital assets. Depositors providing liquidity to the protocol can earn yield, while borrowers are able to borrow in an over-collateralized manner. It is permissionless to use and allows DeFi users to instantly supply and withdraw liquidity from a shared liquidity market. Users can also instantly borrow from a liquidity market using their supplied assets as collateral. Users also have a live and transparent view of interest rates around the clock based on the asset's market supply and demand. As far as Benqi liquid staking is concerned, it is an Avalanche liquid staking solution that tokenizes staked AVAX coins. By tokenizing AVAX through liquid staking, users are given the ability to use, swap, or collateralize the yield-bearing asset within decentralized finance application. It is a capital-efficient staking product that allows Avalanche users to freely transfer locked-up capital, which is staked AVAX, staked in validators, and securing the Avalanche network. Users can also gain additional liquidity on their yield-generating assets by utilizing it within decentralized finance and trading it or using it as collateral. And they can also seamlessly stake their AVAX on the Avalanche contract chain or C chain with no tedious cross-chain transfers or server hosting. And finally, Ignite, which is a protocol designed to bootstrap Avalanche validators and subnets. It is designed for everyone, ranging from institutions to individual developers and Web3 natives. It is permissionless to use and allows builders to launch Avalanche validators with minimal capital required. So if you want to launch a validator on Avalanche, go through Ignite's product from Benqi. It is also affordable to launch blockchains through subnets to bootstrap the next Web3 idea. And as far as storage of funds is concerned, nothing to worry about there. As long as the smart contracts remain secure, that's it done, because funds are managed or administered via smart contracts. In terms of risks, as we know, guys, there is no protocol within the blockchain space or cryptocurrency space that can be considered entirely risk-free. They are always inherent risks. Those risks related to the protocol may potentially include smart contract risks and liquidation risks. The team has taken necessary steps to minimize these risks as much as possible by undergoing audits and keeping the protocol public and open sourced. Now, we want to look into why here at Sage5.tv we believe or think that Benqi's QI token is a great token to hold. Not financial advice, of course, guys. Do your own research. We're just trying to put Benqi into focus for this week. So like I said, the ticker symbol is QI. Benqi is a notable cryptocurrency for several reasons, primarily due to its innovative approach within DeFi and its integration with the Avalanche blockchain. The first point to note is around DeFi lending and borrowing. So Benqi as a DeFi platform operates as a decentralized, non-custodial liquidity market protocol. This allows users to lend, borrow, and earn interest on their digital assets without needing to go through traditional financial intermediaries. The platform facilitates faster and more efficient loans compared to conventional banking systems. So you can actually go get a loan as long as you meet the criteria. It is built on Avalanche. That's going to be a positive, right? The choice to build Benqi on the Avalanche blockchain is strategic. Avalanche offers high scalability, low fees, and compatibility security with popular wallets plugins. This makes Benqi transactions faster and cheaper, addressing some of the significant issues faced by DeFi users on other blockchains such as Ethereum. Liquid staking is another area of interest. Benqi provides a liquid staking protocol which allows users to stake AVAX, which is Avalanche's native token, and use their staked assets in other DeFi protocols. This feature enhances capital efficiency by unlocking liquidity that would otherwise be tied up in staking in order to protect the network. And the next attraction centers around governance and the community. Benqi uses the QI token for governance, enabling token holders to participate within the decision-making process. This includes voting on proposals and contributing to the development of the platform. The transition towards a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, aims to increase community involvement and decentralization. And it also goes without saying that Benqi as a project has got some decent backers as well who invested in the project. The Benqi project secured significant investment from various strategic investors, including Ascensive Assets, Dragonfly Capital, Mechanism Capital, to name just a few. This financial backing has been crucial for the development and expansion of Benqi's features and capabilities. And finally, we've got transparency and security, which is another attractive addition to a list of attractive propositions from Benqi. As a non-custodial platform, Benqi enhances security by ensuring that users retain control over their assets until transactions are executed. Additionally, the transparency of blockchain technology provides users with real-time access to all transactions and platform operations. What about the Benqi token itself, the QI token, performance-wise? Well, I'm not really a technical indicators expert, but just looking at the relative strength index, or RSI, the RSI for the Benqi token's QI token is currently trending bearish with a reading below 50, indicating potential undervaluation. Moving averages, that's the other indicator. The weekly moving averages indicate a bullish trend with the 50-day moving average crossing above the 200-day moving average. And finally, the MACD, which is the moving average convergence divergence. The MACD indicator also suggests a bearish momentum on the weekly time frame. So in summary, Benqi's unique features and strategic implementation on the Avalanche blockchain, combined with its focus on decentralized finance and strong community governance, make it a noteworthy project in the cryptocurrency space. These elements contribute to the growing popularity and usability among DeFi enthusiasts, and that is why we love Benqi on this channel. What do you guys think about Benqi? Let us know in the comment section. Until the next video, guys, I'm your host, FD for Sage5.tv, signing out for now. Bye.